Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F70 error. So what is this error and how can you get rid of it? So first of all, the error itself is a float switch fault. So what's probably happening is in your drip tray, it's sensing that there is water. So the first thing to do is to get in there and just get like a towel or something like that, get into the drip tray and soak up all the water so that it's nice and dry. And then once that happens, then you can check and see if you're not getting a leak somewhere, or if you're not getting an overflow or something like that somewhere. And especially make sure that any kind of electrical components are totally dry. And that will help you get rid of this error. And if you, hopefully, water might have just gotten in there somehow, and if you can get everything dried out, you should be able to get rid of the error. And otherwise, if you can find the leak and get the leak fixed, then you can stop water from getting in there, and then you can keep this error from coming back. So anyways, I hope this helped clarify at least what the issue is. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.